Hello and welcome to Adi Labs. Today we are going to have a look at ultrasonic sensor using Adi Mini. So here's the setup. I have an ultrasonic sensor attached to my model car in the exactly front. On the top of my model car is my Raspberry Pi. So the ultrasonic sensor is attached to my Raspberry Pi and I have connected a power bank as a power source for my Raspberry Pi so that my model car can move freely. And I'm going to connect it to the computer in order to load the program. So the softwares used here are Python and Raspbian OS. So here's the code written. So based on the signal that is being received from an ultrasonic sensor, the motors, the four wheels of my model car has to be controlled. That is all the concept about the project. So here's the model car, and when you run the code, you'll be getting few values which are the output from the ultrasonic sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor will be measuring the distance from the object to the car. So here's the object. I'm placing it very near to the ultrasonic sensor, which is near to my car. You can see the value is decreasing, indicating that the object is very near to the car. And if I go on taking it far, you can see the values being increased, which says that the distance between the object and the car is more. So based on these values, we'll be controlling our wheels. So here's the code, and I've placed a grip below my car so that my wheels can move freely. So let's run the code, and you can see initially the wheels are rotating freely, and now when I go on bring my object very near to the car, you can see the wheels stop rotating, or the speed is reduced. As you can see, this indicates that it is not safe to move front as there is a object in front of the car, and as I take on my object far from the car, you can see the wheels are now moving freely. So this is how the project works. You can see the wheel stops when the object comes near and the wheels move freely when the object goes far. Let's take a real-time scenario. Let's put down our car and make the car move freely, and we'll test the same scenarios by keeping the object and taking off the object. Yes, here's my car on the floor, and let me start it. The code is already loaded into the Raspberry Pi, so there is the object placed at a distance. So now my car is moving, as you can see, and when it is at a certain distance from the object, then only it stops, indicating that it is not safe to go front as there is a object in front. So as you can see, there is a more gap between the object and the car, then only the car stopped. And again, let me just push it out, and you can see still there is a distance between the object and the car, and it is stopping at a distance which is a safer distance from the object. This application can be used in order to save the lives, and when you completely remove the object, you can see the car continuously runs. Thank you guys.